Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. I kind of have like a little bit of a headache right now, but this is entry. I forgot what number again, but I do know the date. It is August 21st, 2023. So this is 8/21/23. This is the entry number. So let's go over this loss that we just took on Euro USD on the funded account. And we're down 2%, which is $2,129. We are down $2,129. Now let's review this trade and why we lost, and let's go over and see how we can improve off it. So I kind of knew where we were gonna go, but I kind of just decided to ignore the fact that we were gonna go there. We're probably gonna go right here. This would have been a really, really good entry. You could probably take off a fair value gap right here and just take it off and then just continue riding the way down. But I'm not gonna do that because that would be breaking my rules, which is one trade per session, and then that's it. So we took this trade during London session. There was no news today. There was nothing to worry about today other than the news. But I was initially bullish and I was targeting opposing side liquidity, which was sell side liquidity. I was targeting it up on the higher time frames. So basically meaning that I was targeting that and I was targeting these area points. I was targeting 180 18829 and 18842 and 18872. And my last target was going to be 18934. My stop loss was set at 18762. And we ended up deciding to go lower, and I ended up deciding not to follow my plan and just do this so stupidly and so impulsively, like a idiot, like an idiot, bro. Um, so let's go over it. Why we lost. I was waiting for the opposing side liquidity to be hit, which was buy side liquidity right here. Got hit. Last one got hit. We ended up going into an equilibrium, which we hit the 0.5 marker. We tagged it. Kind of tricked me a little bit in the before I took the trade, where we ended up coming back up, taking out the other side, taking out sell side liquidity, and then shooting back down. Now, because of all of this, it, I can't even like properly think right now. I feel like every single time this just gets harder and harder and harder. And it's not even the fact of strategy, it's just me, bro. Like this is taking such a huge mental toll on me. I'm not even realizing it until now, like how stupidly this is like taking such a huge mental toll on me, because every single time I feel like I get there and I get closer, I end up taking like 15 steps back, and then it's just like, bro, what? And it's something that like I really struggle with, like that I'm really struggling with right now. I'm really struggling with taking huge losses and not letting the winners run bigger. I'm taking partials. I'm taking partials now, which I should have been in the first place. But um and just even studying and like getting into all of the studying and the more advanced ICT concepts or the smart money concepts, it just gets way harder and harder and harder and harder. And it's just kind of getting confusing, and I'm trying to build up an arsenal of these ICT concepts, and it's just getting harder and harder and harder and harder. Um well, we probably won't take any trades during Indice Open. I don't know. We might. I don't know. I probably will do my analysis right now, actually, before I close off this entry. But I do know that we did take a loss here, and I kind of want to get it to recorded right now to get this more into the journal side entry, to start getting it here and collect this data for we could go back and see how we can improve from others. I wasn't just looking this at the 1 minute time frame. I was actually looking at it on the 15 minute and the 5 minute. So let's go over why we took this loss. Why is it going up? Oh wait, I forgot. where you're gonna tap into a fair value gap. Oh, I am gonna be so pissed. I'm gonna be so pissed because I know it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit where I want it to hit. Okay, so I was initially targeting for this to be hit because this was my initial target, and you could look at this, and I drew this out on the 15-minute. Higher time frames that hold higher power, right? Now this would be the more ideally placed range that I would like to target, and we're probably going to come back down here, target this, and take out this opposing side liquidity. But do I want to be patient for that? Do I want to wait for that? Nah, we fucked up, and like that's what it is. We fucked up, and I did not want to wait for it. I did this impulsively just because I was like, oh, I still struggle with FOMO too, so I kind of need to get to work on that. And most of my issues aren't even coming from the strategy in itself because I know the strategy works. I backtested it. I backtested it over and over again. I know the strategy works. I spent hours backtesting it. I spent not only hours but months backtesting it. I know it works. I know it works. It's not. It's it's not the strategy. It's me. It's the person executing. It's the person behind it that's making mistakes, and that's kind of what's getting me like so extremely like mad because half of the time isn't even a problem on the charts. It's a problem with me, and it's a psychological problem instead of a actual instead of a technical problem. And that's probably the last place I need to break through. After I break through that, it's clips. Like I'm going through everything. But hit my stop loss. Um, I was I was waiting for the bullish. What? Oh, oh, okay. I was about. Okay, I was initially waiting for. Maybe I was wrong. Now, kind of going back and looking at this, I might have been wrong. If that is the case, I'm pretty fucking stupid. Okay. No, I don't think I was wrong actually. No way, bro. Okay. So we came up here, we tapped into this, we tapped into the discount, and if this is the actual discount for the thing, I'm gonna be so mad that I got stopped out. No way, bro. No. Why? Why you do this to me? Okay, yeah, so this is the actual move that I was waiting for, and it looks like it's actually gonna start happening. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna shoot myself in the head, bro. What is going on, bro? It's not even, bro. Bro. It's me, bro. I'm so stupid, bro. No, wait. Is this actually? This is actually the move, or is this a fake out? I feel like this is a fake out, bro. I might be wrong. I don't know. I don't even know if I should actually do this because it's not even really covering the stuff. I just need to look at this, bro. Bro, there's something about these candlesticks, bro. It's just something about these candlesticks that just suck you in, bro. Watch this, bro. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. I want to break my rules so bad and take this one right now. I want to do it so bad. I'm so tempted to, cuz I can do it. I can do it and I can recover some of the losses. But I know it's such a bad idea. I could target a pose inside liquidity and take it down to equilibrium. I don't want to do it though. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. This could just go so bad for me if it. I'll be literally be fighting against my own daily bias, and it's filling the fair value gaps. If it rejects, bro. If it rejects, bro, I'm really considering this right now. I don't want to though. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. I just watch it. I just watch it. I just want to watch it. I just want to watch it. I just want to watch it. That's all I need to do. I just need to watch it. I just need to watch it. Okay. Like I was saying before, we took this. We ended up coming down, sweeping this side liquidity, hitting my stop loss. Now we're coming up, and it looks like we might come sweep these guys, or unless if we can't get past this fair value gap, then we'll probably take it off. We'll probably take these guys out, and then we'll end up hitting all my things and hitting the daily. Huh? What? And no, for you don't need to worry about it. It ain't hit it. That does not make any sense. Took out that liquidity already. Whatever. It's up there. Yeah, it's going for the liquidity. It's going for it. Where did I make the mistake? Where didn't I see it? Where didn't I see that I was where didn't I see that my actual stop loss was incorrect? Right here? This fair value gap? The inverse fair value gap that we have sitting below here? Uh, all right. I guess it's the four. I mean, unless that this would be whatever. This trade is whatever. I honestly can't even explain that one to you. Here, I'll let you take at the I'll let you take a look at the higher time frames so you could take a look at it. Here, this is the 30 minute. All right, we'll start from the 1 hour. The 1 hour, here you go. You could look at it right there. You could pause it whenever you watch it. You could pause. Here's the 45 minute. You could pause the 30 minute, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute, and then the 1 minute. It looks like it's gonna hit it. It does. It does. I don't want to do this anymore though. I don't want to. I don't want to do this anymore. Even though I say that I'm gonna continue going and I'm gonna keep studying until I get it. I don't want to do this anymore though. Trading is so hard. It's so hard. Oh man. oh, oh man. I even got a little bit of tears coming out of my eyes right now. Cause this is going the exact way that I wanted it to, but it did it after I got stopped out. Well, that's what that's what's really getting to me. It's consolidating here. But you look at it at a higher time frame, it doesn't look like that way. Tampoco. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's confusing. It is just confusing me. Maybe it's because I'm tired. Maybe it's because I can't think properly. I don't know. I just can't think right now. I don't know. I probably need some. I need to go to sleep. That's what I need to do. I need to go to bed. That's gonna be the end of this one. Like there's really not much that I can really go over. I'll probably go over this recording or this tape when I wake up. I can't go over it right now. I'll go over it right now. I mean, I'll go over it when I wake up tomorrow. I'll rewatch it, and then when I wake up, I'll see where it went. If it went the way that I wanted it to, or if it didn't, and see where I went wrong. All right, that's really it though. Send out this entry. Ugh.